On today's venture, my power is out. I've got a pizza that I've been wanting to cook. Had my oven going, power went out, and I said, okay, I'll take it to my grill. Took it to the grill. Lo and behold, the igniter shot. So we will try to make a pizza on my camping stove. I'll see you over there. All right, as you can tell, the lighting in here is terrible without any power, but let's kick this sucker on. Hey, this thing works. Get that about here. Move it up a little bit. Let it heat up for a second, and then we're gonna throw the pizza on and let it cook for a few minutes. Hopefully this works. Alright, well, we'll see how well it did. It's starting to smoke quite a bit. It's getting super freaking hot, and I don't really trust it. So, give me a minute. Let me pull the pizza off and move this somewhere so it can cool off, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Cheers. Alrighty, got my piece of pizza right here. Kind of cooked. Charred at the bottom, if you guys can see that. I'll bring it in close. Definitely got charred at the bottom, so cheers. We'll take a bite. That got pretty hot. Really good. It's a garlic ranch sauce. Mozzarella cheese. When I ordered it, I've got it delivered. I thought, you know, I have a half an onion. So I chopped up half the onion, put it on tap, put some Italian seasoning on it, put some extra mozzarella on it, and as soon as the oven was warming up, poof, there went the power. I got no power. This sucks. The power has been out for a little over an hour and a half, and I think we still have another 2 hours and 40 minutes or so estimated without power. So, yeah, I'm going to take another bite. Not bad with this thing. I think if I was outside, I would feel more safe using it, but the way it was smoking, you guys probably saw it in the video. I'm like, I don't really trust it. Pardon me, but it could work. Camping stove, you know, it's the reason I bought it, because what if the power goes out and I need to make dinner? Forgot about it for a while because I was like, oh crap, I can't use the, I can't use the oven. What to my grill? My igniter's shot. What the heck am I gonna do? So I'm like sitting here thinking, maybe my neighbor will let me use his Blackstone. And I was like, wait a minute. I've got this portable camping stove. Let's try that. So here we are, we tried it, and one last bite right here with you guys. As I said, if I would have waited a little bit longer, kept it on there longer, not get scared, it would have been fine. The pizza I ordered was from Blackjack Pizza. They are in Colorado. I think they're in Arizona. I think they're actually getting pretty far. I think there's a location in Tampa, Florida too. So Blackjack Pizza, they're okay. I mean, take a bite of the chicken off the other slice. It's not bad. It's food. That's how I'm going to list it as. But, yeah, so tested out the camping stove with a pizza that was already delivered cold. So I thought, screw it, let me throw the other toppings on. Power went out. Dang it. But like I said, I have this camping stove for a reason. I didn't think I was going to have to use it in the summer. I figured this is good to have, you know, in the winter when it's cold and the power goes out. I have 7 full, I guess you could say, where is it, butane tanks, butane fuel tanks for it. So I'm good to go for the winter, but yeah, cool to know that I could do a pizza on it. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.